You have an empty bottle, so make this muffin in under 10 minutes. For this recipe I'm going to add 3 cups of sugar, 300 ml of water, a spoon of lemon juice, and we're going to mix very well until all this sugar dissolves and it starts to boil. And guys, this recipe is wonderful. I'm sure you all will love it. Okay, it's boiled. Now I'm going to reserve. Now I'm going to use a plastic bottle, and I'm going to pierce the lid with a hot knife. Be very careful on this part. Now, in another container, I'm going to add 150 grams of wheat flour, a teaspoon of yeast, 4 tablespoons of plain yogurt, 4 tablespoons of cornstarch, 150 ml of water, and we're going to mix very well. And guys, you are already commenting to me, from which city you are watching us. I will send a big special hug to each one of you who is commenting. I am now going to add half a teaspoon of orange food coloring and mix very well. And today, I'm going to send a special big hug to Margaret from Delaware. Thank you so much for always commenting. I thank you immensely. Now in the bottle I'm putting a funnel here, and I'm going to add our dough, right? Like this here. In a frying pan put a lot of oil. And when the oil is hot I'll be making our dumplings like this here. It's very simple and very easy to do. Okay, when one side is fried, I'll turn it over to fry the other side, and when it's like this, just remove it. And now I'm going to be passing our dumplings here in our pan, right? Our little mix that we made at the beginning of the video. And our dumplings are ready and delicious. I'm sure all of you who make it will love it. So if you liked it, share it, and until next time. Goodbye.